Hello and welcome to our first video on hydrogen, which is about general knowledge about the practical use of hydrogen. As knowledge about hydrogen and the use of hydrogen is of great importance to our health and life, I wanted to create some short videos to help you know how to use hydrogen and the hydrogen devices properly. Hydrogen is essential for both health and life. Health is not just the absence of diseases. Health is also your well-being, your mood, your behavior and so on, all which depends on the level of your physical health. This first video is about general knowledge. First, I want to remind you that the biggest benefit of hydrogen is that it can eliminate free radicals, which is the major threat to our health. As you know, free radicals destroy the cells both on the outside and on the inside. But what does hydrogen do for your body? Molecular hydrogen will eliminate oxygen-active radicals. Oxidative stress is a very well-known term. We know that it impairs the cell's functions and reduces the cell's energy, which leads to a lot of problems. Oxidative stress is a very well-known term. Cellular oxidation damages the DNA molecules. Oxidized DNA can lead to many serious problems, such as cancer. The cells mutate if there is extensive oxidation. Many problems with cancer arise because of these damages. But because hydrogen is such a small molecule, the smallest in the universe, it can penetrate and eliminate the damages the free radicals cause inside the DNA molecules. Oxidation also leads to a weakened gene activity, which leads to aging. Hydrogen can remove oxidation from the genes and increase their activity again. Thus, aging processes slow down and rejuvenation kicks in. We also have mitochondria inside the cells. They are our cells' energy producers. But the mitochondria also often oxidize. However, as hydrogen restores the functions of the mitochondria, the energy of the body will increase. You will clearly feel the increased energy when you start using hydrogen. You will have much more energy in your body and not get tired as before. This is the first sign that the hydrogen has begun working in your body. The membranes of the cells are often damaged. The membranes are the surface of the cells. It is a well-known fact that weak cellular membranes lead to a large number of health issues. Nutrients and oxygen pass through the membranes, but when they are damaged, their ability to absorb nutrients and oxygen and release waste products are radically diminished. This leads to problems for the cells. Also in this case, hydrogen eliminates the free radicals, which helps the cellular membranes to stay healthy. I want to point out that the molecular weight of hydrogen is only 2, which we can compare with well-known antioxidants such as vitamin C for example, which has a molecular weight of 176. Vitamin E has 431. Q10 has 863. Those antioxidants cannot enter the cells, and compared to hydrogen there is a huge difference. These antioxidants are hardly even comparable with hydrogen. Hydrogen is the world's best antioxidant and allows for many improvements to take place in the body. Hydrogen can be used in 2 ways. You can drink it as hydrogen water, where hydrogen is produced and then induced into water. Or you can inhale hydrogen. Many studies show that 30 minutes of inhaling hydrogen can have the same effect as drinking 15 liters of hydrogen water. Inhaling hydrogen should really be a priority. The hydrogen enters the blood via the lungs and spreads to all the cells in the body. This is highly beneficial for all the cells in the body. Imagine a person with a knee problem. That person starts seeking help. Maybe a lotion, to alleviate the symptoms. But it is important to understand that behind the knee problem lie issues with the hormone system, the nervous system, the body's fluids, etc. All the systems in the body are interconnected. That is why it does not matter where the problem is, be it in a knee, in the stomach, or in a muscle. The whole body is involved. This is why when you inhale hydrogen, it reaches all the cells, which means that all the functions in the entire the body will be improved. All of them. This is what makes hydrogen so much more efficient compared to drugs or other substances. We recommend that you breathe with your abdomen in order to allow the hydrogen to reach much deeper into the body. When you inhale, the stomach inflates and the diaphragm deflates, which allows for more hydrogen-filled air to enter the bloodstream. This enables an improved uptake. You can however choose to breathe any way you would like, but this is the best way to breathe. Inhale for 3 to 4 seconds and exhale for 3 to 4 seconds. In this way, you will saturate your blood with hydrogen and thus also the cells. When you drink water with hydrogen, the smaller the volume of water, the stronger the concentration of hydrogen will be. Our small bottle holds quite a small volume and can therefore produce a strong concentration. That is why this water is very good for drinking. But it is not so efficient for inhaling hydrogen, as the hydrogen has to pass through the water before it can be used for inhaling, leaving less hydrogen for inhaling. You can also use hydrogen directly on body parts. Hydrogen is such a small molecule that it passes through tissues very easily. You can use the tube that comes with the device and point it directly at a weak part of your body. If you have problems with the shoulder, for example, you direct hydrogen directly onto the shoulder. Hydrogen also removes inflammation. Summarizing, you can inhale, drink and use hydrogen on local body parts. You can also absorb hydrogen via steam. The glasses, the eye massager, has the ability to produce steam directly targeting your eyes. When you press the button, steam will be emitted. But before that you need to fill it with hydrogen from the hydrogen water produced by our medium or large appliances. Via the steam, the hydrogen can enter directly into the eyes. There is no other substance that can pass through the eyes and reach all the way into the cells. This is why hydrogen is so great for eye diseases. When the steam enters the eyes, the nervous system becomes balanced and the brain's functions are improved, as the eyes are also part of the brain. I also want you to be aware of some reactions that may occur. As soon as you start inhaling hydrogen or drinking hydrogen water, the cells grow in strength, which includes the cells of the immune system. In an aging body, there are many inflammations in a so-called latent form. We do not notice them that much because the immune system is constantly keeping them in check, which consumes a lot of energy. These latent inflammations can eventually turn into serious problems such as cancer. Many people live with chronic inflammation. When you start inhaling hydrogen or drinking hydrogen water, your immune cells get stronger. They then no longer accept the various stagnations and inflammations and begin to remove them. This is a very efficient detox process, which will release various toxins and waste products from the body. These waste products are released into the bloodstream, and this toxin release process may be uncomfortable. But any reactions will only be temporary. Hydrogen also activates many other functions, not just the immune cells. Diarrhea may also occur due to more bile coming to the duodenum as bile activates peristaltic movements. Diarrhea is positive reaction because you know that many things are happening in the body. You may also experience various spasms and aches. But these can be avoided if you start using hydrogen slowly. It is recommended to start inhaling hydrogen for half an hour twice a day. Over time, you can breathe much more, but start slowly. Then your body will get used to it and any reactions will be gentle. Begin with inhaling 30 minutes twice a day. This is enough. Breathe like this and also drink 1.5 liters of hydrogen water per day. You don't need to drink only hydrogen water. You can also drink acidic water before meals, which will improve your digestion. On the market, you can find hydrogen bottles which produce 10 to 15 milliliter per minute, which gives you only a minimal effect. 100 milliliters per minute gives some effect, but it still gives only a small effect. According to many different research reports, a satisfactory therapeutic effect begins with 120 milliliters per minute. Our small bottle produces 150 milliliters per minute, which is enough to give a therapeutic effect. We also have a generator that produces 600 milliliters per minute and this, of course, gives you the optimal effect. Especially if you have a chronic disease. The large generator is always recommended in cases of severe disease. It really speeds up the recovery process. But otherwise, 150 milliliters per minute can be satisfactory enough. There are hundreds of different studies on various health problems, from the eyes to the back. And you now understand why, because all the cells become stronger with hydrogen. It is the greatest advantage of using hydrogen. We are able to affect the entire body. This video emphasizes the importance of absorbing hydrogen and what happens in the body, the basics. In the next video we will go into greater detail about how to use hydrogen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.